Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. May Allah give you a happy life. Today we are making chicken chow mein. It is a very yummy dish. To make the chicken chow mein, we are taking spaghetti. We have boiled the spaghetti. This is a one packet of 450 gram spaghetti. We have taken half kg chicken. This is a boneless chicken. We have washed it. 2 finely chopped carrots. Carrots are in julienne cutting. 1 cabbage, finely chopped cabbage. It is of middle size. 2 capsicum. Capsicum are so finely chopped. Seeds are removed. 4 to 5 green chili. We have cut in julienne cutting. Now we are taking 4 to 5 garlic cloves, which are finely chopped. 2 tablespoon red chili flakes. Red chili may be according to the taste. 1 teaspoon sugar. 2 tablespoon corn flour. Salt to taste. Crushed black pepper 2 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon. We are taking 2 tablespoon chili sauce, 2 tablespoon soya sauce and 2 tablespoon white vinegar. We are taking half cup tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup may be of any brand. We will use half cup oil. Now in the first step we are boiling the spaghetti. To boil the spaghetti we have taken the water and we add 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt. After boiling all this thing we will add the spaghetti, which is a packet. This is a 1 packet of spaghetti. We will boil it 10 to 12 minutes. Spaghetti are boiling. After boiling it, we will discard the water. After draining out the water, we will pass it from the tap water. To remove the starch of the spaghetti, spaghetti have boiled. Now we are passing from the tap water. In this way spaghetti don't stick together. Now we are taking chicken. This is the second step of chicken chow mein. After taking the chicken in a bowl, we are adding the corn flour. We are also adding sugar and salt. Quantity of salt is less because we are also using the vinegar and soya sauce. We are also adding crushed black pepper. Soya sauce. It is 2 tablespoons. After adding this, we will mix it. We are also adding 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. After mixing it well, we will marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes. We left the chicken to marinate. Chicken has marinated. Now in the next step we are taking the half cup oil in a pan. We will add the chopped garlic. Chopped garlic is frying. The color should be golden brown of the garlic. After frying this, we are adding the marinated chicken in it. We will cook the chicken properly in the garlic for some time. Chicken has fried. Now we are adding the chopped carrots. After adding the carrots, we will cook it for some time because the carrots are hard. After cooking it for some time, we will add the cabbage. Cabbage is also finely chopped. After stirring it and after cooking it for some time, we will add the chopped capsicum in it. We are adding the capsicum. After adding the capsicum, we will cook it for some time. We will cook it for some time because there should be some crunch in the vegetables. After some time, we will add the green chilies in it. After adding the green chilies, we will also adding the salt to taste and red chili flakes also adding. 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Red chilies and black pepper may be according to the taste. If you want to eat more spicy, then you take more spices, and if you don't want to eat more spices, then you can minimize the quantity of the spices. After adding all the spices, we will mix it well and we will cook for some time. After that, we are adding half cup of ketchup. Like this, we are also adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. After that, we are mixing all the things very properly with the help of a spatula. We have added all the spices and all the sauces. Now we are cooking for some time to cook the chicken very well. After some time, we are adding the spaghetti in it. These are the boiled spaghetti, and after taking the spaghetti in the pan, we are mixing it well. We can use 2 spatula to mix all the spaghetti properly in the chicken. Make sure that all the things should be mixed in the spaghetti very properly and very nicely. We have mixed it. Now we are turning off the flame and taking out the spaghetti in the dish. Very yummy and delicious spaghetti is ready. These are the chicken chow mein. Very yummy recipe. Hope you will like this recipe. If like this recipe, please comments. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe our channel to get more new recipes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.